Hello everyone, today I will show you how to save a video on Snapchat. And here's how it is done. Open the Snapchat app and go to the camera screen. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap the settings icon in the top right. Scroll down and select Memories. To save button and choose Memories and Camera Roll to save videos to both. Tap Save button and choose Memories and Camera Roll to save videos to both Snapchat and your phone's gallery. Go back and tap Autosave My Story Snaps, then select Autosave to Memories. Now record a video. On the camera screen, tap and hold the capture button to record. After recording, tap the save icon in the bottom left corner. Finally, exit Snapchat and open your Photos or Gallery app. Your video should be saved there. And that is everything to know about how to save a video on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.